What's going on, guys? Kyle of Finance Pro here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about SOS Limited and some of the crazy controversy we've been seeing with the stock over the past couple of weeks. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to ask you guys to please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out immensely, and it reminds you guys that we post new videos like this every single day. I also want to say too, if you guys want 2 free stocks with WeBull, check out the affiliate link in the description below. When you sign up and deposit $100, you guys get 2 free stocks. We get a free stock as a commission, and it's a great way to support the channel. Another big point that I want to talk about too is that we just launched our brand new Finance Pro Academy course program. This program currently has 3 courses available to purchase, and you guys can check them out in the description below. A lot of you guys have been asking for this, and we really wanted to deliver. They have a ton of value in them, and they're really affordable too. We try not to make everything too expensive, and actually in the first week we're going to be running a 20% off sale. Simply use discount code BRO at checkout for 20% off your purchase. We're only going to be running this offer through the first week that the course is available, and then on April 1st at 11:59 the course will then go back to its normal price. So go check that out in the description below if you guys want to get started and learn more about the stock market and how we trade in it and how we invest. I think you guys will really like it. I also want to say real quick too that we are not financial advisors and none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research and due diligence before investing in any asset or security, and talk to a registered financial advisor. But other than that, guys, let's get right in this video. Ticker symbol SOS, otherwise known as SOS Limited, is a holding company, one that provides marketing data, technology, and solutions to emergency services based in China. Now, in the recent times, they've actually been going into the cryptocurrency space with their new cryptocurrency mining platforms that they've been purchasing. Because of this, we've seen a huge uptick in stock price over the last couple of months, and it's been running pretty good. However, until recent controversy began and the stock price started to plummet a bit. You see, SOS has actually been the most recent target of these very large short seller firms that are releasing research reports and data on the company saying that it's not a real company and that basically that they're a fraud. The largest of these firms being Hindenburg Research, which is an infamous short selling firm. They've taken a short position on SOS, as well released an entire article dictating all of the things that they find that are fraudulent about the company. They're claiming that SOS is an intricate pump and dump scheme with various fake addresses being listed and a lot of different information that they claim is not real. Doctored photos of cryptocurrency miners and the illusion of success is what they're claiming. Now, as you can imagine, this caused a huge uproar in the retail investor community, as many investors were just starting to get into this company and make some profit with it. And it seems a lot of retail investors just like the stock. Now, there is currently an ongoing investigation in this company for securities fraud because of all these short seller reports coming out. Hagen Berman is the largest national law firm that's actually working on this case, and right now they're encouraging investors to submit their losses. The reason for this is likely due to if this lawsuit does actually go through and SOS is proven to be a fraud, many of investors can probably get their money back through this law firm if they're proven right. Now, I'm sure many of you are familiar with that lawsuit, or you haven't really read into it, are wondering, well, what part of this lawsuit actually holds weight? Is there any evidence that really is true, or is all of it just speculation? Well, you've gone to the right place. Let me explain. One of the clues of fraud that Hindenburg is basically kind of alluding to is the fact that this company was actually listed as a hotel room for their headquarters. Another point that was brought up is the actual purchasing of the mining rigs that this company is using to mine Bitcoin. It's alleged that the company actually purchased these mining rigs from a fake company, a shell company, if you will. And some are theorizing that this purchase never even happened at all. And the last major point that a lot of people seem to be talking about is the idea that they doctored certain photos of the cryptocurrency mining rigs that they ordered, and apparently they're not the same. And the last major claim that a lot of people seem to be talking about are the cryptocurrency mining rig photos that a lot of people think are doctored or fake. What they mean by fake or not real is basically kind of an exaggerated way of saying that these cryptocurrency mining rigs are actually not the same ones that SOS is claiming to have. Now, as a large disclaimer, this is my own opinion coming up here as well. This is all speculation, so keep that in mind. So the first obvious thing I want to bring up, one, is that this investigation is still ongoing. Nothing has been proven yet, and there's no evidence that's been dug up that really pins SOS as a true fraud. Which leads me to the question, what kind of weight do these pieces of evidence actually hold? As far as the weird address that's linked to the hotel room for their headquarters, that actually was explained in an investor Q&A conducted by SOS. SOS explained that this was their temporary address that they were trying to work things out through, and that a new actual official address were still in the works. This address was a temporary listing and that it wasn't going to be around forever. So that's one point right there that I find interesting that Hindenburg hasn't addressed or brought up yet, as well as other short sellers too, because Hindenburg isn't the only firm that's selling short on this company. There's also the issue of the alleged fake company and fake cryptocurrency mining photos, but again, this is all speculation. There's no way to prove that those photos are doctored or fake. They look just as real as anything else. And as far as the fake shell company goes, there needs to be more research done on it to really figure out if it's actually fake. Those parts are mostly speculation, and it seems like Hindenburg is really trying to reach to find, well, anything about this company that they can increase their short position value. And that, of course, is my own opinion. I'm not saying that they're actively trying to destroy a company and do that. I would never say that because that's not what they're doing. This is all alleged, obviously, and it's all speculation. I'm allowed to have my own opinion on things, but also I'm not saying that any of this is 100% fact, nor am I putting blame on anybody. I just think that this is a very interesting company and how there's some weird nuances going on with all of these short seller reports that I'm really not seeing anything add up with. Now, as far as my own personal opinion on SOS, I like their business model. I like the cryptocurrency space for stocks in general, and I think that they could still go a lot further. I think these short seller reports are going to be a huge hurdle that SOS will have to overcome in order to continue to succeed, but I think they can do it. It's just my main problem with these short seller reports is a lot of it is built off of speculation, I think, maybe, or could be's. When I'm looking at companies, I'm not looking for maybes or emotions. I'm looking for concrete evidence and fact. And it seems like with these, it's just a lot of speculation going on right now. Now, of course, there could be evidence that comes out after the investigation is over, and I could be proven wrong. And that's what's important about these videos, getting them out to you guys, is understanding that there are a lot of different perspectives on SOS and these short seller reports to begin with. A lot of people have some very interesting feelings about this company and the short seller reports in general. Let me know down in the comments below what your guys' thoughts are. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are buying this company or if you already bought it. We'd love to read your suggestions and hear about your guys' stories. I'm looking forward to see what else happens with SOS, and we will be following the story very close and posting updates every time they come. Make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Make sure to check out our WeBull affiliate link if you guys want 2 free stocks. It's literally free money, and WeBull is a great brokerage. One more time too, if you guys want to check out the course program, check that out in the description below. The course program is great. It's full of value. It has 3 amazing courses, and you can get the bundle if you want to save more money and get all 3 courses at the same time. It's a great offer, and I think you guys will really love it. So make sure to check all that stuff down in the description below. And other than that, guys, that's all we have for you guys today. I'm Kyle Finance Bro. Take it easy.